Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add photos and videos in Facebook Messenger story. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it? So first of all, open your Facebook Messenger and tap on stories, tap on add to story, and now you can capture an instant photo by tapping on camera. And you can also upload a photo from your gallery. So simply select the photo which you want to share and tap on share now. And that's how you can add photos to Facebook story. And to add video, tap on add to story and select the video which you want to add and tap on share now. And your video will be added to your Facebook Messenger story. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.